Hey guys, this is Chris with Sow and Grow. This video is going to be a little different. This was not the plan for today.
Hello and welcome. We are three families who come together to help each other grow in our faith, family, homesteading, and whatever else life throws our way. Join us on this journey as we sow and grow together.
What you guys were going to see was a baking video. I, for a while, prior to Christmas, wanted to do my version of a fruitcake for you guys. Without going into detail, it's really good. I like it. Our kids like it. It's not like what you see in the stores, like the big bricks, basically, that aren't anything special. That cake is special. However, in the hurry of today, in the craziness, the madness of today, really, yesterday is when it started. But today is when it was getting baked. I burnt the cake. I was distracted by any number of things. Numbers are constantly in my head. If you didn't know, I'm an accountant by trade, so I have numbers running through my brain at all times. And I had a certain number in my head and transposed some numbers, and the baking temperature that I came up with was about 60 degrees higher than what it should have been for the cake. So, instead of a cake video, a baking video, you are getting this video. And what is this video? This video is encouragement for you. This video really is encouragement for me. Because sometimes in the midst of things, we still need to be encouraged. We still need to be uplifted. And so, as much as I'm speaking to all of you today, I'm speaking to me today. Today may have been hard. Today may have hurt. Maybe you have things going on that you don't know what to do. It doesn't look like how it was supposed to. It doesn't resemble anything that you've ever seen before. It's not comfortable. It's not easy. It hurts. Maybe it's lonely. Maybe the day, instead of being full of light, is really dark. And guess what? You're not alone. Hundreds, if not thousands of people probably feel the same way every single day. But I am here to encourage you. It may not look like how you thought it was going to. It may not have turned out the way that you wanted it to. And that's okay. In times like these, a couple verses pop into my head. The first one is Romans 8:28. We know that all things work together for the good of those who love God, those who are called according to his purpose. We sometimes use this verse to justify different things. Sometimes we can speak this verse and, use it as a wish-related thing. All these good things. I want all these good things, and so I believe and I'm going to get all these good things. And although good things come, good does not always mean easy. Good does not always mean that it looks how you thought it would look. Good means growth. Good means different. Good means to strengthen. Good means to encourage. Good means love. In my case, maybe the good, maybe that cake was burnt for a reason. Why? Because I'm spastic and I have no idea what the numbers that are running through my head, and I can't differentiate between oven temperature, and somebody's payroll. I don't know. No. Maybe, just maybe, that cake needed to burn so that I would feel something, so that I could speak to you today. Not about cake, but about life. So today, even if it doesn't feel how you thought it should, even if it doesn't look recognizable to you, even if it might hurt, we know that all things work for our good, for those who love God and are called according to his purpose. The other verse that often pops in my head, and I love this verse with probably all my heart, as we should just about any verse, but some of them hold special places in our heart. They've helped us in moments that we didn't know where to go or what to do. We didn't know how we were going to make it through. Some wall was in our way, whatever it may be. This verse has always been so important to me. Isaiah 43. Now this is what the Lord says. The one who created you, Jacob, and the one who formed you, Israel. Do not fear, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by your name. You are mine. I will be with you when you pass through the waters, and when you pass through the rivers. They will not overwhelm you. You will not be scorched when you walk through the fire, and the flame will not burn you, because you are precious in my sight and honored, and I love you. This verse does not mean that you will not go through fire. My cake went through fire today, and in turn, I went through fire because of the turmoil of failing, of not holding up my word, and just messing up a plan. And even though my fire might seem small in comparison to others, because I know that there are greater things going on than my cake, there was still a fire that affected me. We will have fires, and there will be water, but we're not alone. You are honored, and you are loved, and you have been called by name to a higher place. Don't let today discourage you. It's a moment in time. And today, we can look and see the good that can come out of the mess. I hope that even though there was mess today, that I was able to bring good through it. That you get to see a side of my heart that you wouldn't have seen before. That you are encouraged today. That you're not just having butter thrown at you with a bunch of fruit and stuffing faces and all the things. but that your heart's encouraged today. You are precious. You are loved. You are honored. And you are called by your name. Be strong today. Be brave today. The fire doesn't last forever. The pain doesn't last forever. Find the good. Seek out the good. And know that even through your mess, there is still good to be had. We love you and appreciate you all. Thank you for taking the time to watch and to support us, and it means the world to us. We'll see you in